Have you been postponing that project around the house? Maybe you don't have an expensive ProPress tool. Or simply, maybe you don't know how to solder. Well, I'm here to teach you. In just 3 minutes or less, we're going to go from this to this. And we're going to use all the same fittings. And I'm going to show you how. I know the process of soldering could be overwhelming, whether we're making a repair to an existing line using the same fittings, or if we're using fresh, clean copper. The process remains the same. From 1/2 inch all the way up, in this scenario 2 inch, clean it, flux it, solder it. And I promise you, if you follow these easy steps, you can have professional, tight solder joints just like you see here. Now, what do we need to solder? Well, to start, we need a scratch cloth, a scratch brush, flux, solder, and when you're using dirty fittings, a file comes in handy. And of course, our tank. Like I mentioned before, we're going to reuse the fittings. So we're going to start to unsweat it, then we're going to clean everything up and put it back together. Now it's time to clean everything up. We use the scratch brush to clean the fittings, and we use the scratch pad to clean the pipe. When you have extra buildup, that's where the file comes in handy. Especially when you have extreme buildup, like our example here on this pipe, you want to really use the file to get it as smooth down as possible so it slides into the fitting that we're working with. Once everything's cleaned up, let's talk about flux. The thing is with flux is solder follows the flux, so you don't want to go too crazy. Believe me, a little goes a long way. Now for the moment everyone has been waiting for, how to actually solder. We start by heating up all our piping and our fittings. We take the torch head and we put it on the fitting when we go to solder. Not on the seam. We're soldering, not welding. The flame will actually take the solder and pull it into the fitting, making a waterproof connection. As you see here, when we do the T, we have it right in the middle, so we can do our 2 pipes on the run, and then we do our vertical pipe on the bull. Now, why did I put it on the vertical? It's because doing a vertical solder joint is a hard thing to do. And remember how I said before that a little flux goes a long way? Well, if we had flux running down the pipe, all the solder will follow. And if we did that, we wouldn't have a beautiful finish like you see here. Now for a closer view on where to put the torch. You would put it here, here, and here. When you solder, a little teardrop will form on the bottom. You could just wipe it away just like that when it's nice and hot. For the valve, you'd put your torch head here. And just remember, a little pro tip. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. Take your time, and you'll have a beautiful result like this. I hope this helped. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. But for now, I gotta get back to work. I'm out.